I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my friends.
Hi everyone, I'm thankful that I started working here in RAS.
For me, I'm thankful for my colleagues, my friends, people who have become like family here.
I'm thankful to be a teacher here at Raffles American School, and I'm so thankful for my wonderful students.
I'm thankful for my family and friends.
I'm really thankful for friends and family here and back at home in America. I'm thankful for all of you guys, and I wish you guys all happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.